Fed governor predicts multi-trillion-dollar stablecoin boom will force down U.S. interest rates. Federal Reserve. Genius Act. Stablecoin. When the neutral rate is lower, policy rates should also be lower to support a healthy economy. Miran says, warning that failure to act is contractionary. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, Last Updated, 1 hour ago. A senior U.S. Federal Reserve official has warned that the explosive growth of stablecoins, dollar-pegged digital tokens now processing trillions of dollars in payments, could reshape global finance and exert long-term downward pressure on U.S. interest rates. In a speech titled A Global Stablecoin Glut, Implications for Monetary Policy, delivered at the BCVC Summit 2025 in New York, Fed Governor Stephen I. Miran said the rising demand for stablecoins is likely to increase purchases of U.S. Treasury securities and other liquid dollar assets. This, he argued, could mimic the effects of the early 2000s global savings glut that depressed rates worldwide. Stablecoins may become a multi-trillion-dollar elephant in the room for central bankers, Miran said. Their growth increases the supply of loanable funds in the U.S. economy, placing downward pressure on the neutral interest rate. Trillions in stablecoins could lower neutral interest rate by 40 basis points. Miran's comments come as the Federal Reserve maintains a target range of 3.75% to 4.00% for the federal funds rate, following 2 cuts this year. The effective rate currently sits around 3.87%, marking a decline from 4.33% earlier in 2025. The Fed governor's analysis suggests that even without further rate cuts, the rapid adoption of stablecoins could naturally exert downward pressure on borrowing costs. By attracting trillions in reserves into dollar-backed digital assets, much of it from outside the U.S., stablecoins effectively expand the pool of funds available for lending, similar to how global capital inflows once helped keep yields low in the 2000s. According to Miran, the rise of stablecoins could lower the neutral interest rate, the level at which monetary policy is neither stimulating nor restricting the economy, by as much as 40 basis points if adoption projections materialize. Under the new Genius Act, passed earlier this year, U.S. stablecoin issuers must hold reserves fully backed by safe, liquid dollar assets such as Treasury bills, repos, and government money market funds. This mandate, Miran said, could substantially boost demand for U.S. debt. The Fed estimates that the stablecoin market could grow to between $1 trillion and $3 trillion by 2030, rivaling the scale of quantitative easing programs from the COVID-19 era. According to Andreessen Horowitz's State of Crypto 2025 report, stablecoins processed $46 trillion in transactions over the past year, a 106% increase from 2024, and now rival the U.S. Automated Clearinghouse, ACH, in payment volume. Collectively, stablecoin reserves hold over $150 billion in U.S. Treasuries, making them the 17th largest holder of American debt, ahead of several sovereign nations. Stablecoins now represent over 1% of U.S. dollars in circulation, reshaping global finance. Miran compared the rise of stablecoins to the early 2000s global savings glut, which saw an influx of foreign capital into U.S. debt markets, driving down yields. The effect, he warned, could be similar: more savings chasing safe dollar assets, reducing the equilibrium or neutral interest rate. Economists Marina Azzamonte and Vincenzo Quadrini previously estimated that widespread stablecoin adoption could push rates down by as much as 40 basis points. If accurate, that shift could mean the Fed would need to keep policy rates lower than they otherwise would to maintain economic balance. Miran cautioned that if the Fed failed to adjust to a lower rate, monetary policy could become unintentionally contractionary. Once seen as a niche instrument for crypto trading, stablecoins have become one of the largest digital payment systems in the world. Transfers settle in seconds, cost less than a cent, and are increasingly used for remittances, cross-border trade, and decentralized finance, DeFi activity. Data from a 16Z shows that more than 1% of all US dollars in circulation now exist in tokenized form on public blockchains. A milestone that underscores how digital dollars are reshaping global finance. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Post-swell volatility, traders watch for confirmation of the XRP death cross and next move. XRP price prediction. XRP ranked number 2 by analysts, just behind Bitcoin, ahead of Solana and Doge. Bitcoin price prediction. JP Morgan predicts $170,000 BTC within 6 months. Is Wall Street buying the dip? Altcoin news. Filecoin FET. Near leads select altcoin season gains as market fear persists. 2 days ago. By Hongji Feng. Industry talk. Best crypto to buy now. November 7th. XRP, Solana, Dogecoin. Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. Big gains ahead? Analyst and Hoskinson agree ADA's next move could be explosive. 2 days ago. By Harvey Hunter. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 4 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. Top 12 crypto presales to watch in November 2025. 12 minutes ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 6 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 days ago. By Ben Beto.